Hey friends, welcome back to our channel AJ Crafts. Let us make tricolor theme accessories for Republic Day today. For that, we need tricolor wool. So, I will make some jewelry using tricolor yarn. The very first thing, we will make tricolor tassel earrings, for which I rolled each color 20 times on my four fingers to make tassels. I made two tassels of same color. Total 6 tassels, and then I stitched 3 tassels as shown and also attached a hook to make earring. Same process was repeated for the second one. For second DIY, that is a hair accessory, we made a tricolor braid. You can use length and thickness of your choice. I made this for my daughter, and we will use a hairpin to clip it on hair. I used 3 strands of each color and made a braid out of it. It was very easy to make and it looks really very pretty. For the third DIY, I wrapped 2 bangles together to make one thick bangle of one color. I repeated the process to make 6 bangles, 3 for each hand. Follow Toisha on Instagram as her new Republic Day special posts and reels will be out soon on her Instagram handle. Let us have a look at her tricolor theme dress up. Hope you enjoy watching. Do not forget to like, share, and comment. Stay connected for more craft ideas. Keep crafting with AJ.